came during the campaign time to campaign with him here. So it's sad that life ends such in a sense.
NAPO Matthew Poku Prepe NAPO Baba NAPO Baba NAPO. We have a high Ghana TV message like a comment subscribe. A friend me the voice NAPO Dr. Matthew Poku Prepe Papa Akasa na Aden Osi Ghanafuɔ se say no. And you say I am mistake. Very, very big mistake. Then one more show. NAPO as your vice president and Jenana Opoku-Agyeman as your vice president. What's your choice? We are denk of eco selected Jenana Opoku-Agyeman. Doctor Papa, medical doctor for that matter. Member of the King's Surgeons Society or whatever that group is called. Qualified by all standards. Surgeon. Goodness me. Mekanam surgeon. I feel the kind of focus selecting. Nipa oye education minister da. I'll see any choco. Mwamokoto mu choco. I'll see any way. Teacher said you ma 3 years. That way you mu 3 months. Nyom with enyede. But NAPO say. Or GDA say Akwetia election, by election, MPP be winning. Adentia. Or see, 8 months ni. Promises are NDC for Ediama Ghanafuɔ nyinaa say so mba ba mo no, mba be ye no. Baku mpo say ni ho amaye. Baku say ni ho amaye. Let's start mentioning them. If you can start with me or think about it. I won't cast some system ministers. After I won't appoint system ministers, we are presidential staffers. No, say obi kura wo if last year tell me word no see say kura omampenya sumankwa hini. That's a word that I remembered it. Yeah, omampeni o say onya sumankwa hini. Ayetia no. Na sa position also no. I was the same level as a minister. Omampeni ewo presidential advisor or governmental affairs. Chiaka minister level. Omampeni ewo presidential advisor or 24-hour economy. Presidential advisor or agri-business and agro initiatives. And also ministerial position. And a ministerial position be brave. Ewo presidency one. Enti enu wa ndio ma faili. Secondly, amuka se on ba galamse no. MPP for na o galamse. Enti on be arresti nkofo bia ye galamse bia. On be repeal LI allow we say yen money some forest reserves. Enye sa. Ebusan for mayana. Oh. Mitio. O mayana. For the year. Say there. C'est pris, galamse, Jomama that is the galamse anthem now. C'est pris, galamse. That is what is happening. And tell nous sommes failli. Et vous en for 24-hour economy. Oh, the asempanabo, 24-hour economy. Economy, c'est economy. Mini. 24-hour economy, no? Y'a un baby out. Y'a si y'a lanchi. Y'a lanchi, you know. I feel the common about system, no. A brute, y'a na before or bell 24-hour economy. A brute. A brute. Dollar almost $1 na be stable. Ebuson for $100 na 11 series 2 and then 11 series 75 pesos. Abochi credit or the mark 15 cities. And NAPO see with all these things happening there on no GDA say Akwetia by election. MPP one nya cry 56%. Same MPP ya de cry Akwetia 56%. And Mr. was at GDA because MPP NDC for my feeling failure they may fail. You see, mutumi who say they be with your reporter. Le reporter. That's it in French. And so be a reporter. Or French, my yeah. Le reporter. No. That's not it in French. I speak French. You let me speak French, you see. Il n'a pas bien fait, quoi. Il n'a pas bien fait. Ouais, il n'a pas bien fait. Ce qu'ils font là, c'est abysmal, quoi. Yes, but that is something like in that region. The video is happening, Macram.
I wish I pray that it would have stayed longer, held to the seat for a long time, and demonstrate his ability. Because it was a fantastic articulator of parties' values, parties' goals, parties' positions. But life, you can't predict tomorrow. So we wish him well. We hope that the good Lord grants him eternal peace and rest.
Yeah, so please, the people of Okechia will be voting on Tuesday. Do you have anything to tell them?
In fact, the people of Okechia are voting at the time when Ghanaians are realizing that they have sold their color TV for black and white. Every single thing that the NDC promised, they have failed. I don't know that I haven't met any government that can fail on all its promises within 8 months. The first of its kind from the NDC. So they have nothing to offer. So the people of Okechia should have reaffirmed their confidence in the MPP candidate.
Okay, last one. With respect to security, are you impressed with the security arrangements now?
Nothing really.
Ernest is a very passionate personality. You'll be a very passionate. I want you here. I did be a piano and I come at the entry. And you know, they didn't share 2020. 2020, then I was about Nasabajum. I don't went to Yama. It's about 2024 year back. Experience in near Eddie Munkata. Our couples and Yamaya, that's why Sabi P. Nasabajum. So because we had a relationship with them already, now Yenan is also the economy. And I said, we share maybe constituency, and then in the end, the bush here. It's near your baby, I know what's it, you see almost all the in fact, Parliament now, MS officer of war, floor 9, room 14, Mimidina, because your office allocation, you remember how the man, not maybe the man, let me issues, and that is about back to the office. It's in the floor 9, room 14, Mimidina, MS office. If you are on the same floor and you're on the same panel. Wednesday before he died, I had an extensive discussion with him. And I don't know about what's the camera. I go feel. But also, but not the way to hide in power because not many another MP should aid in Como. It's Emia. Say, when Timmy the term, it's as a natural panic to all work. And in my, I put your phone, not a super. This is somebody who had a very bold vision for his constituents because of what that almost a woman. You say, a Jabitias, and don't see, and I yes, slap with your phone. Say, and I'm one idea near the city. Ah, no, because of the best share, I put your phone, you yam, and then, Bama who have a fun one. Sir, and I'm one. Yanni. Yenya Ugo, our the Aya Usmadu, I would tell a name in Tuesday's elections. Ever to Sana more. It will be in the interest of Apetia for say, what's what man? Now, what baby see Ernest and them. I dear Bema Ernest,